All right, so let me ask you something. What's better than the sweet sound of one Sony LinkBuds speaker? Two LinkBuds speakers paired in stereo. By stereo pairing your LinkBuds speaker, you can enjoy distinct left and right channel sound, and the volume can be changed on your mobile device or on either of the speakers. You see, when the volume is adjusted on one, it will automatically be matched on the other. It's super easy to set up, so let me go ahead and show you how. First, we need to ensure that both speakers have been updated to the latest software version. This can be done through the Sony Sound Connect app. Then, ensure both speakers are charged and placed within 1 meter of each other. Next step, power on both speakers and ensure that the Bluetooth indicator is flashing slowly on both speakers. Now, here's a pro tip. If you've previously had your wireless device paired to either speaker, you will need to disconnect it for this to occur. Okay, now the next step. Press and hold the Bluetooth stereo pair button on one of the speakers for about 2 seconds. You will then hear a notification sound, and the Bluetooth and stereo pair lights will both flash for about 5 seconds and then turn solid. On the second speaker, press and hold the Bluetooth stereo pair for about 2 seconds, and you will again hear a notification sound, and the Bluetooth and stereo pair lights will both flash. This has now prompted the pairing function for both speakers to communicate together, and they should now pair seamlessly to each other. Next, you'll hear a voice notification of left, then right, from the speakers, and the stereo pair indicator on both speakers will remain lit when the pairing function is complete. Also, the Bluetooth indicator on the second speaker will turn off. You are now free to pair your wireless device to the original speaker with the flashing Bluetooth indicator. You do this by pressing and holding the Bluetooth button until you hear a notification sound. Once connected, the Bluetooth light will turn constant, and from here, you can enjoy even more room-filling sound in true left-right separation. Thanks for watching.